Hey everybody, welcome to Abbey Carpet Gallery. My name is Bill Daly and I wanted to share with you just a little bit today about luxury vinyl plank, otherwise called durable waterproof flooring. And yes, 95% of all the LVP or luxury vinyl plank is waterproof from the top down. Keep in mind, when it gets installed, if the floor is flooded, it'll go down the sides and underneath, and it's no longer waterproof. It's definitely waterproof from the top down for spills, pet mistakes, whatever the case may be, leaking plants. Super durable. Vinyl plank gets locked together, it can float. We also have some luxury vinyl plank that is a floating floor as well, but it's loose lay and it doesn't have to be glued down. The benefit of that is it butts together. It's very easy to repair should it get damaged. It can also be fully adhered to the floor in certain situations where we need that durability as well. Well, let's talk about this. We treat it just like hardwood in terms of some of the preparation, how it's put together. It can go more extreme in terms of temperature. It can be installed anywhere from 55 degrees to 100 degrees. It can be put in wet areas, dry areas, whatever the case may be. You don't give up any of the beauty by having this product, but you definitely give up some of the expense. Not only is the product itself, in most cases, less than hardwood, but the labor to put it in is also less than hardwood. And it used to be something that we just saw in mid to lower price range homes. Now we're seeing it in high-end homes, $800,000 up to $1 million as well. And it's all based on the family dynamic. If you've got a young family and 2.5 pets, you meet all the averages, this is a great solution for ease of maintenance, durability, cleanability, sustainability, and everything else. So come into Abbey Carpet Gallery, check out our hundreds of different options in the luxury vinyl plank categories. And again, we also have them in tile looks if you want a tile look in a bathroom instead of a plank. Give us a call if you have any questions. Check us out on social media, and welcome home to Abbey.